Imagine a night sky where the moon seems to disappear, leaving us with a blank canvas. That's what a new moon is all about, a fresh start, a cosmic reset. On September 3rd, 2024, this powerful new moon takes place in the sign of Virgo, and it's not just any new moon. This is our chance to harness the energy of Virgo, the perfectionist of the Zodiac, to set intentions and plant seeds for the future. So, what does this new moon in Virgo mean for us? Well, new moons in astrology are all about beginnings. Think of them as a time when the universe hits the refresh button. It's a moment to pause, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, what do I want to bring into my life? Whether it's a new habit, a fresh perspective, or a big dream, the new moon is the perfect time to start. With both the sun and moon aligning in Virgo, the energy is supercharged with Virgo's qualities: order, organization, and attention to detail. Virgo is like that friend who helps you declutter your closet and make a to-do list, but also reminds you to take care of yourself and stay grounded. It's all about finding balance and putting in the work to achieve our goals, but also knowing when to take a step back and breathe. When the new moon falls in Virgo, it's like the universe is handing us a to-do list with a cosmic twist. Virgo, an earth sign ruled by Mercury, brings a grounded, practical energy that's all about refining, improving, and organizing. This isn't about big, flashy changes. It's about the small, meaningful adjustments that create real transformation over time. Virgo energy encourages us to look at the details, to focus on what's working in our lives and what's not, and to take practical steps toward improvement. Virgo is often associated with traits like order, organization, and an analytical mindset. It's the sign that thrives on planning, making lists, and getting things in order. But it's not just about tidying up your physical space, though Virgo certainly loves a good decluttering session. It's also about creating order in your mind and soul. Virgo energy encourages us to clear out mental clutter, release what no longer serves us, and make room for new positive habits and thoughts. Virgo is also deeply connected to service and loyalty. It's the sign that is always ready to help, always looking to improve not just themselves but the world around them. During this new moon, we're called to think about how we can be of service to others, how we can contribute to our communities, and how we can align our actions with our values. Now, when both the sun and the moon are in Virgo, like they are during this new moon, this energy becomes even more potent. The sun represents our core identity, our ego, while the moon represents our emotional landscape and inner world. When these two align in Virgo, it's a perfect harmony of action and intention. We're not just thinking about what we need to do, we're feeling it on a deep emotional level. This alignment helps us to be more authentic in our actions, to ensure that what we are striving for is in true alignment with who we are at our core. This makes it a perfect time for setting intentions that require a bit of planning and dedication. If you've been wanting to start a new routine, focus on self-improvement, or embark on a project that requires sustained effort, this new moon is your green light. The Virgo influence is excellent for intentions that involve health, wellness, daily routines, and personal development. Maybe it's time to set intentions for a healthier lifestyle, better time management, or even learning a new skill. The key is to be specific and realistic. Virgo doesn't do well with vague goals. It needs something tangible to work toward. What is one specific, realistic goal you would like to pursue during this lunar cycle? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. By tapping into this Virgo energy, you can create a clear roadmap for your future, one that is both grounded in reality and infused with the intention to grow and improve. This new moon is less about dreaming and more about doing. It's about rolling up your sleeves, getting to work, and making those small everyday changes that lead to big, lasting transformations. So think about where you can bring more Virgo energy into your life. Where can you be more organized, more analytical, more in service to yourself and others? That's the magic of this new moon in Virgo. The spiritual significance of the new moon runs deep, tapping into the core of what it means to evolve and grow on a personal level. Spiritually, this new moon isn't just about external changes, it's about internal transformation. It's a moment to go inward, to reflect on where we've been, and to think deeply about where we want to go. The Virgo influence asks us to look at ourselves honestly, without judgment, and to identify the areas in our lives that need a little more attention and care. This new moon offers a powerful opportunity for renewal. Think of it as a time to shed old skins, to let go of habits, beliefs, or patterns that no longer serve your highest good. Virgo's meticulous nature encourages a deep spiritual cleanse, not just a physical one. It's about clearing out emotional baggage, releasing grudges, or letting go of any mental clutter that might be holding you back. This is the time to purify your inner world just as much as your outer world. Reflecting during this period is crucial. Virgo's energy supports introspection, making it an ideal time to engage in practices like journaling, meditation, or even just quiet moments of contemplation. These practices help us get in touch with our inner selves, understanding not just what we want, but why we want it. Virgo's earthy quality brings a grounding force to these reflections, helping us to stay realistic and practical about our spiritual growth. Setting intentions during this time should be closely aligned with the themes of self-improvement and mindfulness, both hallmarks of the Virgo sign. This is about committing to small, manageable steps that lead to bigger spiritual growth. Maybe it's adopting a new meditation practice, committing to daily gratitude, or simply becoming more aware of your thoughts and how they shape your reality. Virgo energy is patient and steady, reminding us that growth is a journey, not a race. Community service also plays a spiritual role under this new moon. Virgo's natural inclination to help others is not just a trait but a spiritual calling. Engaging in acts of kindness, volunteering, or simply being there for someone in need can be incredibly fulfilling. It's a reminder that our spiritual path isn't just about self, it's also about how we connect with and uplift those around us. The spiritual call of the new moon in Virgo is to cultivate a life that's in alignment with your true self, to refine and improve in a way that feels authentic, and to serve others as a path to deeper fulfillment. It's about using this time for quiet growth, for sowing the seeds of who you want to become, and for nurturing those seeds with care and patience. Virgo's energy is all about getting organized and becoming disciplined, especially in our personal lives. This is the perfect time to implement a self-care routine that brings a sense of order and calm. Simple personal rituals, like decluttering your living space or creating a daily routine that incorporates mindfulness practices, can be incredibly powerful. Think of this period as an invitation to simplify and streamline, focusing on habits that promote well-being and inner peace. Whether it's a morning meditation, a regular exercise schedule, or even organizing your pantry, these small actions align with Virgo's call for self-care through structure and order. In the realm of work and study, Virgo's analytical nature can be a game changer. This new moon encourages us to take a closer look at our professional or academic goals and refine them. Virgo's meticulous attention to detail can help you create a clear plan for achieving your objectives, whether it's hitting a new milestone at work or excelling in your studies. Now is an excellent time to focus on improving time management and productivity. Setting up a structured schedule, breaking down larger tasks into manageable steps, and using tools like planners or productivity apps can help harness this Virgo energy effectively, making it easier to stay on track and achieve your goals. Virgo also plays a significant role in how we connect with others. Its influence is about being present, helpful, and genuinely engaged in our relationships. This is a great time to show up for your loved ones, offering support or simply being a good listener. Virgo's community-oriented spirit encourages us to look beyond ourselves and think about how we can serve others. Volunteering, joining community groups, or simply helping a neighbor are wonderful ways to embody Virgo's giving nature. Acts of service not only benefit others, but also bring a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose to our own lives. In all these areas, the key is to use Virgo's energy to bring more clarity, structure, and purpose, allowing you to align your actions with your true intentions, whether it's through personal self-care, professional development, or nurturing relationships. This new moon is all about making thoughtful, deliberate choices that lead to meaningful growth. To make the most of the new moon in Virgo, it's essential to tap into its practical and grounded energy without falling into the trap of overthinking or over-perfecting. Here's a focused approach to harnessing this new moon's power effectively. Instead of focusing solely on setting intentions, consider taking concrete steps to align your actions with the Virgo energy. Start by creating a clear action plan for the month ahead. Identify specific areas where you want to bring more order or efficiency. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This new moon is perfect for starting new routines or habits that promote a more organized and fulfilling life. Think about setting up a daily schedule that prioritizes what truly matters to you, allowing you to stay focused and productive without feeling overwhelmed. Manifestation during this new moon should be approached with a practical mindset. Virgo's energy supports techniques that involve detailed planning and clarity. Consider using a journal to not only write down what you want to achieve, but also to outline the steps required to get there. Vision boards can be helpful, but take it a step further by breaking down each visualized goal into actionable steps. Meditation can also be particularly effective, especially when focused on grounding exercises that help you stay present and connected to your intentions. The goal here is not just to dream, but to create a roadmap for making those dreams a reality. One of the challenges of Virgo energy is its tendency toward perfectionism, which can sometimes lead to anxiety and self-criticism. It's important to remember that progress, not perfection, is the goal. Set realistic expectations for yourself and recognize that mistakes and setbacks are part of the journey. To avoid falling into the trap of over-perfectionism, practice self-compassion and remind yourself that it's okay to not have everything perfectly figured out. Embrace the process and understand that every step, no matter how small, is moving you closer to where you want to be. Balance is crucial during this time. While Virgo's energy is all about getting things done, it's equally important to know when to rest and recharge. Overworking yourself or pushing too hard can lead to burnout, which counteracts the productive energy of Virgo. Schedule time for relaxation and self-care activities that allow you to recharge. This could be as simple as taking a nature walk, practicing mindfulness, or enjoying a hobby that brings you joy. Balancing ambition with relaxation ensures that you stay motivated without overwhelming yourself. Another key aspect of utilizing this new moon energy is to create an environment that supports your goals and well-being. This might involve decluttering your workspace, organizing your home, or setting up systems that help you stay on track with your daily routines. A supportive environment isn't just about physical space. It's also about the people around you. Surround yourself with those who encourage your growth and well-being, and seek out communities that align with your values and aspirations. By focusing on these strategies, you can make the most of the new moon in Virgo without getting caught up in the pressure to be perfect. It's about finding a balance between action and reflection, setting practical goals, and creating a supportive environment that fosters growth and well-being. This is your chance to take meaningful steps toward a more organized, fulfilling life. Remember, the new moon in Virgo is a powerful time to make thoughtful changes and take practical steps toward the life you want to create. Embrace this energy, stay balanced, and be kind to yourself along the journey. If you want to dive deeper into the lunar cycle, I encourage you to check out the video on the screen. If you found this discussion enlightening, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may benefit from it. Thank you for watching.